European Cup wins in the 1950s, but they've held their place in the pecking order.
Well, they have. So many famous names, Puskás, Di Stefano being two of the first ones really in those glory days, and the white kit, it's just synonymous with success.
They're eyeballing each other, those two. It's a chance! Oh, very good try, just off target. And he read their minds, brilliant defending in the circumstances. Good reading of the play, anticipating the pass. Opportunity here. Robert Lewandowski. Surely, possibilities for Barcelona. Oh! And a goal! And they've opened the scoring now. So after the goal, we've opened the scoring here, 1-0. Comes the challenge. Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. And here come Real Madrid. Disappointed with that touch. He's a natural finisher, this guy, looking for another goal. This is the chance. Oh, and Barcelona have got a chance here. Good tackle. Well, that's half-time at 1-0. Very, very good first half. And neck, really, but one team... Second half underway, Barcelona have got the lead. Quick tempo to the passing. The opposition can't get near them. Challenges for the ball. He wants it back from his teammate, and there it is, it's come back. Wonderful interception. Good interception. He's in the clear. Well, time is ticking away. It's time for a change, and here it comes. Very safe goalkeeping to make the stop and keep hold of the ball. He'll feel good about that. A really strong and clean tackle. Could be a goal, got to be. And it's in for the goal. Well, that has made it 2-0. One or two options for the player in possession now. And now can he score? Tackle here. Chance for him. What a chance! Super goalkeeping. They decided to make a change, and being behind, you can understand that. And that's the win for Barcelona. Good result to go with a good afternoon's work, really, because it wasn't for league points or cup progress, but it was to get them right for those challenges ahead.
And they did look ready. They looked like a team that knew what they were doing.